Hey guys, check that cloud out. That's a thunderstorm. Right now, I'm headed to a hotel. Originally, I was headed to a Walmart to sleep, but while I was driving, I said, fuck no. By the way, that storm that I pointed the camera at the beginning of the video, it's apparently warned for golf ball size hail, and it's like right over the highway that I'm on right now. So, I mean, like way up there. It's way up there. So I kind of doubt it's going to be there when I'm there, but I don't know. I didn't really look at it except for a little glance on radar. It's just some dumb fucking shit that I'm doing, dude. I don't even know if I'm going to see a tornado tomorrow. If I spend like $300 on gas and don't see a goddamn thing, I'm going to be pissed. I'll see a thunderstorm probably. But there's a chance I don't either. There's a chance I literally see blue skies. I'll be pissed. I'd be pissed. I'm here. I got a fucking hotel room. So yeah, this is the hotel room. I got a warm colored lamp and then a cool colored lamp on each side of the bed. I don't know why. It's probably an accident. I got me a microwave that I'm probably not going to use. I got me... Oh, look. I'm chilling my monster in there. Yeah. I can even make coffee in the morning. I got TV and then phone. What color is this lamp? Oh shit. There's just one cool lamp. Look at this. Oh, what the fuck? I gotta stop these lights. I gotta go to sleep. God damn, is there bed bugs? Let's find out. So the way you check is by lifting up the mattress, I heard. Fuck. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, what the fuck? I'm about to get the best sleep ever. Well, goddamn. It's fucking storming like a bitch outside. Holy shit. Fucking hailing and shit. Goddamn. Well, it's the next morning. I thought I was gonna have to drive to damn near Montana, but those storms look like they're not gonna be very good. But eastern North Dakota, it looks like, or maybe even Minnesota, which is the state I'm in right now, just north of here, like northwest, there should be some pretty good tornado chance. So, I mean, hopefully that's the plan. I've been just walking around this fucking park. Got time to burn. But I'm it's seeming pretty good that I'm gonna catch a tornado for you guys. Finally. It's looking pretty crazy. Alright. Getting into position now. Alright, so I'm pretty close to where supercells should develop, and yes, supercells. I'm sitting in a church parking lot and I'm hoping that no one comes up. He's like, you need to leave now, I'm calling the police. Shit, I'm just waiting for storms to happen. I'm not gonna stay here all fucking night. Well, we got a storm. It's starting, look at it. See the base. There's also, like, looks like other storms might be trying to pop. Cumulus. Yep, she is strong. The base over there, you can see it that well. I don't know, just reflections. Holy shit. There it is, the updraft base. That's where the wall cloud could eventually come out of. It actually even has a lowering, it seems. Oh man. We are on a good start in this chase. Holy shit though. Like, that shit. Doesn't that look crazy? You can hear the thunder. It's got a special weather statement for half-inch hail, so nothing yet, but hopefully this thing moves pretty slow. This thing just got a severe thunderstorm warning for golf ball size hail, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and tornado possible. It's not possible right now. Oh, look at the structure. Oh, and the lightning. Dude, I have never seen that before. It's a corkscrew. Look how that just spins up in there. God damn it. This is nowhere near making a tornado yet. Actually, it's starting. It's forming its wall cloud right now. We don't got very good rotation. You know, so they did remove the tornado possible tag. Baseball size hail, one of the warnings. Yeah, baseball size hail. Oh shit. Starting to get the look. Starting to get the look. We're starting to get some motion now on this thing. It's starting to... Yeah, it looks like it's starting to rotate. Three-inch hail. We got the tornado possible tag back. Look at the rotation. We're gonna get a tornado. Oh my God, it's going so fast. It's going even faster, dude. I actually think I'm gonna need to move. This thing's coming right at me. I'm gonna need to move. Alright, so shit started getting a bit crazy here. My phone started being a bitch and stopped recording audio for some reason. And it did this to a couple clips. So, we're just gonna have to deal with that. But anyway, as you can see, I'm scared because RFD started hitting me and I didn't like it. Right here I'm recording what I ran away from. You can see all that shit blowing. It honestly probably wasn't that bad, but it scared me. Aw, damn, here's me running away more. There's a view of the second supercell. Very nice view of that. Aw, shit, what the fuck am I doing now? Oh yeah, a fucking tornado! That thing's gonna stay on the ground, I think. That thing is fucking huge. Holy shit. That thing is fucking huge. So I'm gonna go down to this main road, so we actually have good road. That's right, no more sound again. But right here I'm about to turn onto this road and I'm about to be really confused because it looked like a main road on maps and it's gravel. Look at how I'm driving. I'm like, what the fuck is this shit? I'm so pissed at this exact moment. I fucking remember this shit. I was so pissed. Literally fucking drove a couple miles south away from the storm. No, I was not running away. Just for a gravel road that I thought was going to be paved. Yeah, I could have took 94, but I was scared of the RFD. A little bit of RFD never hurt no. Well, I guess I'm heading fucking north. Holy shit, look at that. Right there. Oh my fucking God. Looking right at it. What the shit? Oh, dude. No fucking way. No fucking way. It's literally roping out right there. What? No fucking way. Wow. That's fucking crazy, dude. Look at it! What, dude? That's... So it was rain wrapped, but it came back out of the rain. That's wild. On the ground. Oh, there's another one right there. Right there, forming. Right there. Yo! There's another tornado! Dude! Another one! Right there! This is amazing. Another tornado on the ground. Right after the first one lifted. Look at that. Can't even believe it. There's really no public on this damn thing. How is there already another one? Okay, I promise this is the last time I lost sound, but yeah, another tornado. Shit's beautiful. At least we had sound for the beginning of it. Holy shit. Now I don't really want to chase this fucking MCS. This thing is fucking severe thunderstorm warning on it for 90-mile-an-hour winds. Tornado possible as well. There's literally starting to be tornadoes in this shit, but so I really kind of don't want to be around that, so I think I'm gonna go south and pick a hotel south, at least somewhere south, because if I can get out of the fucking way fast enough. I'm kind of don't want to chase tornadoes at night. I'll get to a point where I'm like that, but I've been chasing for, well, this is my first year chasing truly seriously. Guys, you're not gonna believe it. There's literally a tornado right there. There's another one. 3 tornadoes. I saw it getting tight on radar, and lo and behold, tornado number 3. So far away, but dude, damn, that thing's getting strong quick. Damn, that thing's bad. Hold on, look at it. When the lightning flashes, I had to back up because I was kind of in the road. That thing is, oh, that might be violent. Jeez, I can't believe I'm seeing another tornado right now. Jesus Christ, literally, that's amazing. That might be a violent tornado. That thing's a wedge. It's a wedge. Look at that, it's a wedge. That's a wedge tornado right there. That's a wedge. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow. So there's a wedge tornado right there. That's insane. That thing is absolutely massive. There's no way that, dude. What the fuck? maybe it's a rain curtain. Is it a rain curtain? I can't tell. I don't know. It might. There's no way. Is that a whole ass tornado, dude? I just think it's weird that it's that fucking large. Like, is that literally a whole wedge on the ground? Like, nah, it's gotta be rain curtain. That's gotta be rain curtain, dude. There's no way. That thing's huge. Yeah, at this moment, I am having trouble comprehending that this could even be a tornado. Guys, this is a tornado. It's just a fucking fat ass wedge. I don't know. Nah, that might be it. Dude, I mean, there's gotta be a PDS though, right? Anyway, shortly after this moment, the tornado, I believe, did become rain wrapped because it all of a sudden kind of just like disappeared. Also, guys, I do want to be very clear about something. I know I joke around and fuck around a lot in these videos, but this is real shit. 3 people died in that last tornado. Insane supercell structure, you see it? Holy shit. It's literally running into the MCS right now. Well, there's the shelf cloud of the MCS. Well, I'm at the hotel. I actually I looked back at the video. It's obviously a tornado. I don't know why I thought it wasn't. Oh, but holy shit, 3 tornadoes. The last one being fat as fuck. Well, that was the craziest storm chase I've done ever so far. Yeah, I hope I have more of these kind of videos, and hopefully I don't have my fucking phone mute the fucking videos. That pisses me the fuck off. Alright, well, that's gonna be it. I plan on hopefully chasing again. Don't know when the fuck that'll be, but well, I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed.